everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the red subscribe button and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload this video. My next videos. Uh, this is a corally summer look which has some coral eyeshadows for the summer vibe and a pinkish peach lipstick. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. So I have just woke up in the morning and I just washed my face and applied some toner, and now I'm going to just make this video. So for that I'm going to at first apply some sunscreen. For sunscreen you can use something like this which is cream based, or something like oil based or spray kind of a thing like this. For today I am going to use this Pond's sunscreen cream which has SPF 50 and PA triple plus. So yeah, I am taking out like a bit generous amount, then warming it between my fingers. I'm just applying it on my face. This will obviously give some white cast, but don't worry, we are going to use just a little bit of foundation to just counter this white cast. But this one is important. I will let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes, then I will apply my primer and other makeup steps. On top of this, I am going to use Sugar Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. Just taking out a little bit, warming it between my fingers and applying on my T-zone. Just leaving my nose, because I think on this primer my foundation slips from my nose. So I am leaving out my nose, and then what I am going to do is set my face using some loose powder. This trick I have just learned from Smita Deepak, and this really works great. I have tried this once before. Oh, by the way, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. Now I'm going to use my Nika K setting spray to lock and seal whatever we have done so far, and just let it sit for a couple of minutes. When my setting spray is almost set, I am going to use a matte finish foundation which is NYX Total Control Drop, and just I'm going to use this on my face. We are not going to use a lot of product because I feel like in summer as much product you use, the foundation budges that quickly. Next I am going to conceal just under my eyes a little bit, blending it out using my concealer brush, and then once again setting this under eye using the same Fit Me loose powder. And whatever is left on my sponge, I'm going to set my whole face. Now before moving on to my eyeshadow, once again I'm going to apply my setting spray. Not much, just a little bit, and dabbing it using my damp beauty blender. I have used Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer on my eyes as a base, and then I am going to use this Coral Sunset palette from Lakme Absolute, and I am taking up this light peachy shade as my transition color. In this crease blending brush, I am picking up this vibrant coral color. Tapping off the excess, I am applying it on my outer corner and my crease. And then blending it and intensifying the color. I am applying the coral color throughout my lid as a wash of color. So almost our eye shape is done. Next, using this fluffy blending brush and using just a little bit of this and this, I'm just blending out my crease. Okay, I'm picking up this color. This is a shimmery shade and very vibrant, and applying it on my lid a little bit just to give it a sheen. I'm not applying it as a shimmer color, just give it a nice sheen. I'm just applying it so that my eyes do not look dull. Then using my Elegant Pro Conceal, I'm just cleaning up the border a little bit and blending out using a brush, my concealer brush. Look how sharp it looks. Using this small blending brush, I'm again picking up this vibrant color a little bit, okay, and just applying it on my lower lash line. This is almost my eye shadow is complete. Now I am going to line my I am going to draw a little bit small wing using this sugar brown gel liner, and I'll be right back. I am going to use Faces Magnetized Kajal on my lower lash line, just a hint of kajal. And now I am going to take up this bright coral color on a flat shredder brush like this and just smudging out the kajal a little bit. So for highlighting, I am going to use this white eye pencil from LA Colors. Just using it on my brow bone. This eye pencil has broken, man. And my inner corner a little bit. Now for contouring my face, I'm going to use this Sugar Contour Diffuse palette and this powder to slightly contour my face. Blush, I'm going to use Coral Punch from Lakme. From my temple, I'm using it on my cheeks. For my highlighter, I'm going to use Sugar Highlighter from the Contour palette. And just applying it on the highest points of my cheek. For lipstick, I'm using Ghoul from Nika Mactula's liquid lipstick. When your makeup is complete, please don't ignore your body. Use a sunscreen moisturizer. This one is Nivea Sun Protect Moisturizer with SPF 30. So I'm going to use this on my body and then I'll be right back. So guys, this is my final look. If you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and bye till my next video.